Yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay.
Thought I need that chopper like I see you, boy.
Look, me versus you and you know what they picking. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. My bitch, so bitch.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Welcome to this ULA Hair review. I got some amazing bundles from ULA Hair. Everything will be up here, so you'll see the specs of the hair. I did a quick weave this time. Normally I do either a sew-in or a wig, or like a ponytail. But this time I thought, let me learn how to do a quick weave. In the UK, we don't really wear quick weaves that much, so I thought since I can't K-roll and I can't do a sew-in, this might be the best option for me. I'm still learning how to do it, so I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do it. It's very beginner friendly, so if you're new to doing your hair, I would recommend you trying this hairstyle, as I have never done something like this before. So I think this is going to be my new go-to. Once I perfect my dome cap method, it's over. My hair's always going to be laid. I love that I can just do it myself. No hey boo text from my hairstylist, no can I reschedule you. The power is in your hands, you have control. I feel like as a woman you need to learn how to do your hair. It's really important. Just basic styling, curling. In an emergency, you know how to do your own hair. My mum's always taught me to do my hair and my makeup, so I feel like it's a good key. I don't have to really depend on anybody. I can just do it myself. I'm going to show you guys with me standing up. I'm sitting down right now. Let me take my chair out. Guys, I'm quite short, so... But as you can see, the hair is amazing quality. The shine and the blend, it really blends nicely with my hair. I've texturized my hair because I wanted it a bit more easier for me to maintain it, and I feel like that's the best option for me. I also use this, guys. If you've got itchy scalp, I recommend using a scalp tonic before you do your hair. So when you have a cane roll, you just apply it to stop your hair from itching. I really love how this looks. I've tucked my hair behind my ears because I like how it looks like this. I feel very pretty. So I hope you guys love this hair tutorial and let me know what you think. I have my hair K-rolled. I went to get it done at the hair shop because I can't do my own K-rolls. I need to learn. But I just did a simple leave out K-roll. So this is my leave out, just very minimal. And then they've K-rolled my hair all the way back and sewn it. They did a really good job. So what you will need is the protective shield. This is the one I got from Ebin. That one is called Quick Drying Hair Bond Protector. It has rosemary and mint in it, and also biotin. So we love that. It's black. I got bonding glue, I got a white pen, and I got a tint brush. This was the only hard part of the whole install. I feel like the more I do it, the better I'll be. I also recommend you guys using black HD caps. I used the wig caps that came with the hair because the black caps I had, I didn't like them. They weren't HD enough for me. Another tip I'd give you is having another mirror either beside you or using your phone to record the back of your head so you can see if you've applied the protective shield evenly and if you've got any gaps that need to be filled. But I can't lie, guys, I really feel like I want to just try new things that I've always wanted to try. I've always wanted to be able to do my own hair, and I thought, you know what, just do it, just start now. I don't want to be procrastinating anymore. I'm not going into the new year procrastinating and putting off trying new things that could also benefit me in the future. So try something new today. As you can see, I've tried it and it worked out amazingly. Alright guys, my camera died, so I had to use my DJI to film this. But it should be okay. I've put on the first track. I'm just going to quickly go through the few back rows and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to lay the front. So I'm just gonna do this quickly. My stiff wear. So now I've done most of the, like a lot of the back. I'm gonna start doing the front, but I'm gonna use the shortest track to lay some at the front, and then use the longer one to do continue the back. As this length is shorter, I feel like it'd be perfect at the front. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay, so I'm just measure the hair like this. And then I just cut a piece so I don't waste any. I just cut exactly what I need. So this is it. And then I just pre-straighten it because I find it way easier to just straighten the hair before installing the hair, because it just makes my life easier, in all honesty. Just like this, and then I follow the same process. So I'm gonna lay 2 tracks going forward because I want it to lay on my face. Then I'm gonna keep on going in the U with the rest of the hair. Guys, I'm opening the 20-inch and I'm gonna start adding that to the U shape. I finished the 22-inch, so I'm gonna do the 20 and then use the 18 for the very front of my hair. But hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm a bit tired, I can't lie. I'm a bit exhausted. I had work, so, but seeing as I can't do a sew-in myself, this is really good. So if you can't do sew-ins, I would recommend you guys trying a Quickweave. I feel like the more that I do it, the better I get at the protective shield. So I'm looking forward to getting great at that. All I've done is straighten it. I put no product and it's so silky. So let me finish the top of my hair. I think I'm going to leave it straight today and then I'm going to curl it next week. So what I'm going to do is show you guys it straight. Straightening the tracks before you install the hair is the best thing ever, because all I have to do is go through it one more time with a hot comb. And then I just spray a little bit of spritz to give it some extra strength. Then I blow dry it a bit. I don't know why we haven't been doing this. Like, Quickweaves are definitely an American thing, but us UK girls, we need to be doing it. Once I just put some mousse on it, hot comb it, it's gonna look too good. Last track left. Okay guys, so I finished the installing process. I've glued in the tracks, everything's ready to go. So all I need to do is take out my edges and my leave out and straighten it. I see you later, right there, full of prayers. Focus on me, not on them haters, baby. Don't tell us make you crazy, baby. We can sober up in my bed. Won't let me take you there, no. spritz just keeps it fluffy, and that when you use gel it's not fluffy anymore. And I just spray the spritz on my hand and then apply it, because I kind of want control over where I place the spritz. She said you ain't changed one bit. Put my hands on her hips and said just focus on me. Let me know guys if you want a makeup tutorial. I really just love doing girly things, and I feel like in my beginning journey of my YouTube, I was doing more tutorials as well as the try on hauls, but I really love filming these things, and I feel like as a content creator, as much as everything should be like, you know, it's work as well, but you still want to enjoy the content that you're making, and this makes me happy. Okay, I like doing girly things. It doesn't mean that I need them, but I just like it. I like being a girl. I'm a woman, but I like these things, you know, so I find it fun. I like doing my hair, my nails, my maintenance. I like buying new makeup and trying new looks. I think I'm just gonna leave my edges like this. Just cut that one because it was real long. Okay, cool. Okay, now to take out my leave out. I'm using some laminate spray on my natural hair just to give it some shine. I'm just going to use my small straightener to straighten my hair, and then I'll go over with a hot comb if need be, but I don't think I really need it. But this mini straightener doesn't really go that hot, even though it's 220, but it's not hot. I feel like I've had other mini straighteners and it was hotter than this. And when I use like spray wax and stuff like that, to keep the hair dead straight, I'm going to show you the products I use, and then I may cut the end into a blunt cut. I love a blunt cut so much, so I think I just want to do a little bit of face framing in a blunt cut, but we'll see. I don't spray too much laminate spray because I don't want my hair to burn. I need to get dry heat protectant. I haven't found a company that I like. I think I might try the Amika one. I do like their products. So. This is it so far. I just need to blend my hair into the bundles. This is spray wax. Okay, I'm gonna use a hot comb. So I'm going to cut the ends of the hair. I just want it to be a bit more of a blunt cut, so I'm thinking to cut like just here. Just cut a few inches. bumped it. I don't know if it's going to be dead straight at the back, that's the only thing, but I'm going to bump the ends in. I think I did an alright job. Clap it. Okay, my camera is heating up, but I'm just going to bring in the ends a bit. Just bump it in a bit. And there you have it, the finished install. I really love these ULA hair bundles. I think they're perfect for the quick weave. And look how nice and luscious it looks. Don't forget to use my discount code. It's BE15. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you ULA Hair for these bundles. Bye guys.